Yeah, that's gonna explode, and I didn't want it to explode on the van. I'm sorry.
No, it's not your fault, man.
I don't even know if I want to be here. I'm gonna go in the. I don't want to be by the glass in the garage either.
No, we're at a good spot right now.
Because once that fucking gas goes bang, it's gonna.
Keep your earplugs in.
Holy shit. Back the fuck up. Where's my other one? I don't have my other one.
It's gonna get that whole fucking tree on fire.
Yep. I'm really sorry.
Okay.
Fuck, we should have moved it away from that tree. Yep, there it goes. Oh,
Dying down a little?
I don't know.
It looks like it.
Nope. That tree's gone.
Oh, the tree's gonna be dead.
Yeah,
I just want them to get here before the tree is fully engulfed.
that's what I mean, because that could get bad quick. There goes that new battery.
Yeah. Thank God it rained this morning, or else that tree would have been fully up already.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, tree, just don't start. Just stay. You're gonna have to douse the whole thing, chop it down anyways.
Oh yeah.
Tree's done. Because now you have like potential grass fires, so they're gonna have to be like around here for a while.
Yeah.
Not going to soccer today.
I'm just wondering if the gas tank's gone yet. That's what, you know what I mean? Like, that's the big worry.
Yeah, I don't know.
My bad, buddy.
It's not your fault, man. Trust me, it's not your fault. There's nothing you did or could have done. Like in retrospect, maybe you push it out of the way, but you didn't know it was going to fully engulf in flames.
Yeah, neither.
You just saw the flames and...
I was trying to get a Again, I was trying to see if you had a fire extinguisher.
I don't even know where it is, if they have one.
I thought I saw one, buddy.
Where?
Are you sure you don't have one downstairs? In the basement?
There might be one downstairs, but if that thing's on fire, I'm not going near it.
No.
Who knows? Who says it's going to be a minute? Or 2 minutes that it's going to explode? Or
Yeah.
30 seconds?
The bus has stopped, letting the kid off. Unless he's a volunteer. Oh no. Yeah, idiot, get out of here with those kids. And really, to be honest, there's a bunch of grease in that, so I don't know if water would have helped.
9 minutes. What do you need? Dry chem?
Well, I don't know. See, that's the thing. Like, because I just greased it up. I greased the axles and I greased the pulleys.
I don't hear anything either.
Nope. Where'd Crystal go?
Is that at friend's house?
Oh, yeah.
Thank God it's far away from the house.
Yeah. I think it might actually be far enough away from